Hey everyone! Welcome back to Speak English with Jay and May. I'm so happy you're here today. Today, Mr. J and I are going to an ice cream shop together. Yes, a real ice cream shop. In this video, you will learn how to order ice cream in English. You will also learn how to talk about flavors, sizes, and toppings. Super useful. But first, I have a challenge question for you. The question is, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? Is it chocolate, vanilla, or something else? Write your answer in the comments below. We want to know. Okay, now let's go. Mr. J is waiting for me outside. Let's see what happens.
May, over here. I'm standing right in front of the ice cream shop.
Oh, Mr. J, I can see you. I'm walking over to you right now. This place looks so cute.
I know, right? I walked past this shop last week and I really wanted to come back. I'm so glad we're here today.
Me too. Look at the sign. It says Sunny Scoops Ice Cream. What a fun name.
It really is. Okay, should we go inside? I think it's a little hot out here.
Yes, please. Let's open the door and go in. Oh, wow, it's so cold inside. That feels really nice.
It smells amazing in here, too. Can you smell that? It smells like fresh waffle cones.
Oh, yes, that sweet smell is making me so hungry already. Okay, Mr. J, so what's the plan? Do you know what you want?
Not yet. I think we should look at the menu first. Let's walk up to the counter and see what they have.
Good idea. Let's walk over together. Oh, look, the menu is right there on the board above the counter. It's really big.
Great. Let's take a look and figure out what we want to order.
Wow, Mr. J, look at all these flavors. There are so many choices. I don't know where to start.
I see chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mint chip, cookies and cream, and look, mango sorbet. That sounds amazing.
Oh, mango sorbet. I love mango. But wait, what is a sorbet exactly? Is it the same as ice cream?
Good question. A sorbet is a little different. It has no milk or cream. It's made with fruit and sugar, so it's a little lighter than ice cream.
Oh, interesting. So sorbet is a dairy-free option. That's great for people who don't drink milk.
Exactly. And it's very refreshing on a hot day like today. I think I might get that one.
You already decided? That was fast.
Well, mango is my favorite fruit, so it's an easy choice for me. What about you, May? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking about cookies and cream. I love that flavor. But I also want to try something new today.
Ooh, why not try a scoop of each? You can get 2 scoops, you know?
Wait, really? You can mix 2 different flavors?
Yes, that's one of the fun things about ice cream shops. You can mix and match. It's called getting a mixed scoop, or just ordering 2 different flavors.
Oh, that's so cool. I love that. Okay, I think I'll get 1 scoop of cookies and cream and 1 scoop of strawberry cheesecake.
That sounds really delicious. Great combination, May.
Thank you. I'm so excited now. Okay, but Mr. J, we also need to choose the size, right?
Yes, I see here on the menu they have small, medium, and large, and you can get it in a cup or a cone.
Oh, a cup or a cone. That's another choice. What's the difference, Mr. J?
Well, a cup is just a paper or plastic cup. You eat the ice cream with a spoon. A cone is the crunchy part that you eat together with the ice cream. No spoon needed.
Right, and I think there are different kinds of cones too, aren't there?
Yes, look, they have a regular cone and a waffle cone. A waffle cone is thicker and a little sweeter. It's my favorite.
Oh, the waffle cone smells so good. That's the smell from when we walked in.
Exactly. I definitely want a waffle cone.
Okay, I'll get a cup. I don't want the ice cream to fall off the cone.
Good thinking. Okay, I think we're ready. Should we get in line?
Yes, let's go. Oh, look, there's a short line. Only 2 people in front of us. That's not bad.
Perfect. We'll be ordering in just a few minutes.
Okay, Mr. J, while we wait, let's talk about some really useful phrases for ordering ice cream. These will help everyone watching at home.
Great idea. So, the first thing you'll say when you get to the counter is, I'd like. This means I want. For example, I'd like a scoop of chocolate ice cream.
Oh, yes, I'd like is very polite and very common. You can use it in any shop or restaurant. I'd like a coffee. I'd like a sandwich. Super useful.
Right. And the next phrase is, what flavors do you have? You say this if you don't see the menu clearly or if you want to ask the staff.
That's a great one. What flavors do you have? The staff will then tell you all the options. Easy.
And if you want to try a flavor before you buy, you can say, can I try a sample of that? A sample means a very small taste, just a tiny bit so you can decide.
Oh, I love that. Many ice cream shops give you a free sample. You just have to ask, can I try a sample of that? Perfect.
And one more, what do you recommend? This means, what do you think is the best? What should I get? It's great when you can't decide.
Yes. What do you recommend? The staff usually loves this question. They'll tell you the most popular flavor or their personal favorite.
And the last phrase, when everything is ready, you can say, that's all, thank you. This tells the staff you are done ordering. Nothing more.
That's all, thank you. Short, polite, and very natural. Okay, I feel ready to order now.
Me too. Oh, look, it's almost our turn. One more person in front of us.
Okay, let's get ready.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunny Scoops. What can I get for you today?
Hi, thank you. I'd like 1 scoop of mango sorbet, please, in a waffle cone.
Great choice. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
I'll go with a medium, please.
Perfect. And any toppings on that?
Oh, toppings. May, do you see the toppings? What do they have?
Oh, wow! Look at all the toppings. There's rainbow sprinkles, chocolate chips, gummy bears, whipped cream, caramel sauce, and fresh fruit.
So many options. Can I get some fresh fruit on top, please? That sounds perfect with mango.
Of course. We have sliced strawberries and blueberries. Which would you like?
Can I get both? A little of each?
Sure, no problem at all.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
And for you, what would you like?
Hi, I'd like 2 scoops, please. 1 scoop of cookies and cream, and 1 scoop of strawberry cheesecake. In a cup.
Ooh, great combination. What size cup?
I think medium is good for me too.
Perfect. Any toppings?
Yes, please. Can I get whipped cream on top?
Of course.
And, oh, can I try a sample of the strawberry cheesecake first, just to make sure I like it?
Absolutely. Here you go.
Oh, wow, that is so good. Yes, I definitely want that. Thank you.
Great. So that's 1 medium mango sorbet in a waffle cone with fresh fruit and 1 medium 2-scoop cup with cookies and cream, strawberry cheesecake, and whipped cream. Is that right?
Yes, that's perfect.
That's all. Thank you.
Wonderful. That will be $9.50, please.
Oh, I'll pay for both of us, May. Here, I have a $10 bill.
Mr. J, are you sure? Thank you so much. I'll pay next time.
Deal.
And here is your 50 cents change. Your ice cream will be ready in just a moment. Please wait at the end of the counter.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll be right there. Mr. J, I can't believe you paid for me. That was so sweet of you.
Of course, we're friends, May. And honestly, I'm just really excited to eat this ice cream.
Same. Oh, look, I think they're making ours right now. I can see the person scooping the ice cream.
Oh yes, look. They're putting the mango sorbet into the waffle cone now. It looks so bright and yellow.
It looks beautiful and so fresh. Oh, and they're adding the strawberries and blueberries on top. So colorful.
I love fresh fruit on ice cream. It makes it feel a little healthier.
Right. We're being very healthy today. Oh, now they're making mine. I can see the cookies and cream. It's so dark and chocolatey.
And now the strawberry cheesecake scoop. It's pink. So pretty.
Oh, wow, it really is. And they're adding the whipped cream on top now. Look at that big swirl.
That looks incredible, May.
Here you go. 1 mango sorbet waffle cone and 1 2-scoop cup with whipped cream. Enjoy.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. This looks amazing.
Thank you so much. It looks so beautiful. Okay, Mr. J, should we find a table and sit down?
Yes, let's find a spot. Oh, there's a cute little table by the window. Let's sit there.
Perfect. Let's walk over. Oh, be careful with your waffle cone, Mr. J.
Don't worry, I have a good grip. Okay, here we are. Let's sit down.
Great. Okay, I have to try this right now. I cannot wait any longer.
Go ahead. Let's both try at the same time.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh wow, this is so good. The mango flavor is so strong and fresh.
Oh my goodness, the cookies and cream is amazing. It's creamy and sweet, and I can taste the cookie pieces.
And the strawberry cheesecake, how is that one?
Oh, that one is incredible. It tastes exactly like real cheesecake. How is that possible?
Good ice cream makers are very talented. The fruit on top is so fresh too. I love this place.
Me too. Mr. J, I'm so happy we came here today.
Same. You know, I was a little nervous to try the sorbet at first. I usually always get regular ice cream, but I'm really glad I tried something new.
That's so great. It's always good to try new things, even with ice cream.
Exactly. And the waffle cone is just perfect. It's so crunchy and a little sweet. It goes so well with the mango.
I was worried about getting a cone because I didn't want it to melt and drip everywhere, but a cup is perfect for me.
Smart choice. Although a little dripping is part of the fun.
Maybe next time I'll be brave and get a cone.
I'll hold it for you if it starts to drip.
You're such a good friend, Mr. J. Okay, let's keep eating before it melts.
You know, May, moments like this are really nice. Just sitting here, eating ice cream, relaxing.
I completely agree. It's simple, but it makes you feel really happy.
And this place has such a great atmosphere. The colors are so bright, the music is soft, the staff is really friendly.
Yes, and everything is very clean. I love when ice cream shops look clean and organized.
Me too. I'm definitely coming back here. Maybe next time I'll try the cookies and cream. Your cup looks so good.
You can have a small bite if you want.
Really? Thank you. Takes a small bite. Oh, wow, that is really good.
Right? I told you.
Okay, I'm changing my order next time. Cookies and cream for sure.
I'll remind you. But honestly, the mango sorbet looks so good. Can I try yours?
Of course. Here, try the sorbet part.
Oh, that is so light and refreshing. It's not as heavy as regular ice cream.
Right? It's perfect for a hot day.
I might have to get that next time too. I can't decide. I want everything.
We'll just have to come back every week.
Deal. Okay, Mr. J, I think we're almost done. My cup is almost empty.
Same. I'm eating my waffle cone now. The cone is my favorite part at the end.
Oh, really? You eat the cone last?
Yes, I saved the best for last.
That's so funny. I would eat the cone first because I'm worried it will get soft.
See, we are so different. That's what makes us a good team.
That's true. Okay, I think I'm finished. That was perfect.
Me too. What a great afternoon.
Jay, before we go, let's quickly review the phrases we learned today, just so everyone remembers.
Great idea. So the first one was, I'd like. You use this to order something politely. I'd like a scoop of chocolate, please.
The second phrase was, what flavors do you have? You ask this to learn about all the options.
Then, can I try a sample of that? You say this when you want to taste something before you decide.
And, what do you recommend? Perfect for when you can't decide and you want the staff's help.
And the last one, that's all, thank you. You say this when you are done ordering. It's polite and clear.
5 great phrases, and they're all useful not just at ice cream shops, but at any food shop or restaurant.
Exactly. If you practice these phrases, you'll feel very confident when you order food in English.
I agree. And remember, it's okay to speak slowly. It's okay to ask again if you don't understand. The staff is always happy to help.
That's such a good point. Don't be afraid to speak. Everyone starts somewhere.
Perfectly said, Mr. J. Okay, everyone, that's a wrap on our ice cream shop adventure today. I hope you had as much fun watching as Jay and I had filming. Let's go over what we learned. Today, you heard real English conversation at an ice cream shop. You learned how to ask about flavors, how to choose your size, how to ask for a sample, and how to order politely. And don't forget our 5 key phrases. I'd like, what flavors do you have? Can I try a sample of that? What do you recommend? And that's all, thank you. Now, remember the challenge question from the beginning? I asked you, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? Go down to the comments right now and tell us, is it chocolate, strawberry, mango sorbet like Jay, or something totally different? Jay and I will read every single comment. We love hearing from you. If this video helped you learn even one new English phrase today, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now. We make new English videos every week just for you. Real conversations, real situations, real English. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. You are amazing, and we are so proud of you for learning every day. This is May, and on behalf of Mr. J and myself, we'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Bye-bye!